Good morning dear students, welcome back to online SS class. We have completed 4 blocks from our SS. I will give you third, I didn't give a third and fourth block question answer. I will give you question answer after the exam. After this monthly test, I will give you question answers of third and fourth block, okay? Then only you can write it. Okay, today we are going to discuss new block, our block 5, neighborhood and school. Block name is neighborhood and school. Neighborhood and school. I already told you that when you are watching video, you have to take your content book, workbook and notebook. All of you be ready with your workbook, notebook and content book. Okay, ready? Okay, let us start our new block, neighborhood and school. Who are the people who live near or around your neighborhood or your home? Many people are living in our neighborhood or our area, near our homes, right? Yes, there are different people are living around us and they are doing different things. Is it right? Yes. So today we are going to discuss neighborhood, my neighborhood. Our first lesson is my neighborhood. So our keyword is neighborhood, neighborhood and home. Neighborhood and home. Okay, today we will learn more about our neighborhood. Before that, we are going to read a story. All of you ready with your content book and notebook? All of you take your notebook? Okay. And content book also. Page number. There is no page number. Here first page of the block 5. There is a story, Mina's neighborhood. There is a story, Mina's neighborhood. All of you listen that story carefully. Then you have to make a list of the people who are living in Mina's neighborhood. Okay? All of you ready to make the list? Okay, all of you take your notebook and write down there Mina's neighborhood. All of you take your notebook and write down there Mina's neighborhood. Okay, you did it? Okay, I am going to read the story. After that, I will ask who are the people who may meet with Mina. You have to list a make of people who meet with Mina. Okay, I am going to read. All of you listen carefully. Ready? Okay. When Mina woke up, she heard the milkman ring the bell to give some milk to her mother. She quickly got ready for school. As she was going in her school bus, she saw different people in the neighborhood. A policeman was standing outside the police station. A doctor was just entering his clinic. Then she saw a postman with his bag of letters on his way to different houses. As she reached her school, she saw a shopkeeper selling different things in the shop. In school, Meena greeted the gardener who was watering the plant. On reaching her class, she greeted her friends and got ready to learn about different things from her teacher. So here we can understand that Meena meet with different people who are doing different things, or different jobs. Did you make the list of the people who meet with Meena? Okay, I will ask all of you, be ready with your list. I will ask to you who are the people meet with Meena. So that we have to write Meena's neighborhood. Meena's neighborhood. Okay, listen. Did you make a list of the people? Yes, you made the list of the people. All of you be ready to say your answer. Okay. Who are the people who meet with Meena when she was going to her school? She met different people. They are doing different things. Okay, can you say? Yes, you find out some people. Yes, who are they? Yes, very good. Policeman. She woke up and heard some sound. Whose sound she heard? Yes, whose sound? Milkman ring the bell. So, who are the people? Yes, milkman. Milkman. Then, when she going to school, she saw different people. Some other persons. Who are they? Yes, postman. Postman. Then, yes, gardener. Gardener. Then, teacher. Then, any other person? Yes, shopkeeper. Shopkeeper. Who are the people who meet with Meena? We have find out, we make a list of the people who meet with Meena. We can understand this from the story, right? Okay, these are the people: policeman, milkman, shopkeeper, teacher, gardener and postman. These are the people who live near or around Meena's home or her neighborhood. Is there any similarity between your neighborhood and Meena's neighborhood? Is it different or similar to your neighborhood? A similarity is there. In our neighborhood too, there are different type of people who live or who do different works like policeman, milkman, shopkeeper, teachers, gardener and policeman. Okay. So, what is a neighborhood? What is a neighborhood? We are discussing about neighborhood. What is a neighborhood? Neighborhood is an area around us who live. Neighborhood is an area around the place we live. Neighborhood is an area around the place we live. Neighborhood person means some people who living around our home. Neighborhood is a place the people living, many people living in different houses, not in same houses. Neighborhood is a place the people living in different houses. Otherwise, we can say neighborhood is an area where the place we live around us. That is neighborhood. Neighborhood persons are doing different things. They are living around us. They are known as neighborhood persons. Okay, who are the neighborhood persons? Policeman, milkman, shopkeeper, teacher, postman and gardener. What do they do? In case of policemen, what they do? They protect us, right? Policemen protect us from thieves. Then milkman. Milkman supplied milk. We get milk from the milkman. And shopkeeper sell different things. We are buying different things from the shopkeeper for our daily use. For example, toothpaste, soap, then food items. We are buying from the shopkeeper. Then teacher. Teacher, what are they doing? They are teaching student or teaches the student. Then gardener protecting plants and watering the plants. Then postman. What they do? Postman deliver the letter or supplying the letter. So these all neighborhood persons are helping in different ways. Isn't it? Yes, policeman has protect us. This is one of the help we get from the policeman. Then milkman, shopkeeper, teacher, postman and gardener. These all people are help us in different ways. I will ask one question to you. If there is no shopkeeper in our neighborhood, what would happen? If there is no shopkeeper in our neighborhood, what would happen? Yes, we would not able to buy things. For example, our daily uses like food items, toothpaste, soap, like that. We will not get these things from the shop. So, all these people, if there is no doctor, yes, one doctor, we forgot to write doctor. Why don't you say doctor? Doctor is also one of the neighborhood person. If there is no doctor, what would happen? When we are sick, we can't consult a doctor. We need a doctor. When we are sick, we can consult a doctor. Doctors treat us. So, these all people help us. All neighborhood people help us in different ways. All are dependent to each other. All these neighborhood persons are dependent to each other. For example, how a teacher dependent a doctor or how a doctor dependent a teacher? Can you say how they dependent? A teacher dependent a doctor when he or he is not well. How a doctor dependent a teacher? Doctor is also dependent a teacher. Doctor dependent a teacher to teach her or his children. Understand? So, when in our home our fan is not working, what would we do? Yes, we are calling an electrician. They will come and repair it and make. So, all these persons All these neighborhood persons are important for us. We all are dependent each other. These all neighborhood persons are dependent each other and help each other. We need all this kind of neighborhood person. Okay, do you understand? So, what we have studied in this first lesson? First lesson we have discussed about my neighborhood, and we have read a story about Meena's neighborhood, and we can understand that there are different type of people living around us. They are helping us in different ways. What is a neighborhood? Neighborhood is a place there are many people living in same place in different house. Our neighborhood is an area around us, the place where live. There are different people living around us. They are known as neighborhood person. For example, policeman, doctor, milkman, shopkeeper, teacher, gardener and postman. These all neighborhood persons help us in different ways. If there is no shopkeeper, we are unable to buy things from the shop. If there is no policeman, what would happen? We are not safe. If there is no teacher, we can't study. Then if there is no doctor, when we are sick, we can't consult a doctor. So all the neighborhood persons are dependent each other. Understand? I hope you understand this lesson. This is very simple lesson. So your homework is finish your S1 and read content book. Read your content book. Read your content book, that part neighborhood and school or first lesson neighborhood. Okay, we are going to discuss our S1. You have to do it from home. Don't delay. All of you listen. Open your S1 block 5. First question. Who are the people in the picture? There are two neighborhood persons. We can identify them. Who are they? The first picture shows milkman and second picture shows a doctor. Then second question, fill in the table. Important people in the neighborhood that we have discussed here. Policeman, these are the people you can write here, and how they help us. How they help us that we have discussed. Policeman help us. Policeman protect us or guard us. How milkman help us? You can write here, milkman gives us milk or supplied milk. How a postman help us? Postman deliver the letters. Like this way you can write this all. Then third question, how is a milkman dependent on a cobbler? We have discussed that all these persons dependent each other. A milkman also dependent a cobbler. How a milkman dependent a cobbler? A milkman dependent a cobbler to make his shoes or mend his shoes or repair his shoes. Then one more question is there in third question. How is a cobbler dependent on a milkman? How is a cobbler dependent? Cobbler dependent on a milkman to get milk. Understand? So, I hope you understand this first lesson from this block 5, neighborhood and school. First block, neighborhood, my neighborhood. I hope all of you understand. Thank you. Have a nice day.